Donuts are fantastic, but just not big enough. A few bites, suddenly, the one you're eating is long gone. Not so with a giant donut cake. You'll have some donutty goodness for at least a few servings, unless you keep it all to yourself, which we totally understand. This recipe is delightful. Made from scratch, you'll use that ring mold pan you've had hanging around, not a bundt pan, and will fashion your own pink frosting, topped, of course, with sprinkles. And since there's no such thing as too many sprinkles, you'll also fold some into the batter of the giant donut cake itself.